Hello everyone, welcome back to Art by Purnima. On today's video we're going to be doing a flat wash. This is something that is quite important, especially if you're a beginner. You need to try and practice and get your wash even. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to demonstrate to you on one petal, and then I'm going to do a flower so you can have a go as well. So we're going to start off by drawing a petal shape. So I'm just going to get my pencil and very lightly just create a lovely shape of a petal. This is the petal that we're going to paint in the flat wash. So I have some paint already mixed up. This is quite a rich colour, it's quite intense. What I'm now going to do is I'm going to isolate some of the colour into a separate part of my palette, and then I'm going to add some water to it. In order for me to do a flat wash, I need quite a watery mix, so you can see here just how watery the mix is. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to test it out on my tester piece on this side, and this is coming out beautifully. So the key thing is your paint is quite watery. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to tilt this paper up slightly. I'm just going to put a piece of tape underneath, so it's given me a little bit of an upright position. Now the first thing we have to do is make sure that the brush is fully loaded. I'm using my number 4 today. You need to also check that the brush is the correct size for the subject that you're painting. This will just give me enough strokes to take me from top to bottom. So we're going to start off with a fully loaded brush, and we're going to just very gently start in the corner. Now if you observe, there's quite a good bead of colour here. What we're looking for is plenty of colour, and we need to pull this bead down in order to create the flat wash. The key to this is to make sure that your brush is fully loaded. So all what I'm doing is pulling down the bead of paint. I'm dipping my brush in quite regularly into the paint. I'm not letting it dry out, and I'm very carefully just keeping within my boundary. Don't let the brush dry out of paint. Make sure that you keep dipping it in. When you get to the bottom, just need to slow it down a little bit. So when I get to here, I've got enough paint to take me to the base, and then what I need to do is on a piece of tissue just dab off the excess paint and just pull down the bead that's left, and this should take me to the base of my petal. If there's a little bit more of a bead at the base, just do the same thing again, dab it off and just mop it up. That's the start of a flat wash. If you notice, it's the same colour from top to bottom, and that's what we're looking for. So what I'm going to do now is I've drawn a lovely flower shape here. I'm going to do that in a flat wash so you can watch me do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to miss one of the petals. I'm going to do the next one. Okay, so that's the flat wash complete. What we're looking for, like I said earlier, is a smooth, flawless watercolour wash. So just to recap, we need to make sure that you start off with a good puddle of paint. You then need to dilute that paint with some more water so you have a really light shade, and then draw the petal like we did earlier. Start from top, make sure you have the bead that you're pulling down, keep your brush fully loaded. Once you get to the base, make sure that you mop up that bead as well. So thank you very much for watching. I hope I've inspired you and motivated you to have a go at a flat wash. It's a great one for beginners. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that's everything for today. Hope to see you soon. Bye for now.